But overall, there is one achievement. Today, I went for my cardiac evaluation to doctor. My
Okay.
BP medication is removed now. So that is a great
Wow.
achievement.
Congratulations, Harpreet.
Thank you so much. All your blessings and guidance.
Wow. और क्या बोला आपके डॉक्टर ने?
Baki, rest some checkups that will happen. But I think from last 4 years, I was having that medicine.
Wow.
So,
Okay.
so
That's a very,
the reduction in
very
medication is
big
an
thing.
achievement.
And
Reduction in medication is very very big achievement. Yes. अभी तो जब भी जाओ तो एक मेडिसिन ऐड ही होता था. रिड्यूस तो कभी होता नहीं था.
exactly.
हाँ.
You know, it's an achievement for me.
हाँ.
Okay. This is
Yes.
something you are giving me. Thank you so much.
Thanks to you.
Thank you, Harpreet, and hope you have a healthier, years coming together. And 2026, you have started with this note. It's absolutely going to be very good for you. Okay. Sure.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Harpreet. Thank you so much for sharing.